guys. Okay, so welcome to the next lecture. You've made it to the bonus section, and what we're doing now is we're just going to go through some more sort of step-by-step tutorial. We've gone through the theoretical side of things, and you've obviously, now that you know a little bit more about those 12 ways, you've probably got to a point where you've picked one, or you actually had something in mind before you even came to the course. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down each of the 12 and give you some actual live sort of step-by-step instructional information so that you know what websites to go on to and how to start. And I actually did that in the last couple of lectures anyway, but we're going to go into a little bit more detail. Okay, so I'm on the Canva site. Affiliate marketing, just a little brief history of affiliate marketing. It started a long time before there was anything like Microsoft or online or the World Wide Web. It was done face to face, and it was usually done in terms of like someone working for a company. You as the affiliate marketer, which you wouldn't have been called, you probably would have just been called a sales rep. But you are selling on behalf of that company, those products and services that they've created. And all you've got to do is utilize your network. Now, your network can be knocking on doors, 100 doors just to get that one sale. And the better you get at your sales pitch, more likely will, every 10 doors you'd get a sale. And then you would earn a commission off of that sale. So that is where affiliate marketing started. Then it expanded into MLM. So going into multi-level marketing, which is the same sort of thing. Again, utilize your network or creating one if you don't have one. And now we're into the online version of what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is really just a fancy name for saying sell something that somebody else created. Now, there are two sides to it. You can have affiliate marketing where someone else has created the product, or you can have affiliate marketing where you've created the product and now you want to enlist other people to do the work for you, to knock on those doors in an online sense, and get the information out to their network and make sales and commission through your products and services. It's another way of getting to customers that you maybe wouldn't have been able to get to all on your own as a business owner. So I'm in Canva. And as you guys probably know, maybe you've touched on my Canva Pro course. I absolutely love Canva. And I just decided to go into this to show you the basic version of affiliate marketing. It's a very basic version, but we will go into the others. Just to say a quick disclaimer, if there are any sound issues, then please let me know in the comments. It is something that is being worked on. Sometimes when I move my mouse, there are some audio issues, but hopefully we won't have that here. I can't tell whilst I'm recording, but if you do hear anything, if it's really bad when I listen back, I will not put this up. But if not, and it's on your side and you think actually just this isn't working, let me know and I will re-record it. Okay. We're going to go into the basics. So we're in Canva. This is just general Canva. Now, Canva has its own affiliate marketing setup, but here's a basic one so you can, again, understand how affiliate marketing in the broad sense of the word works. We're going to go up into my picture icon here, and we're just going to click. And then when you scroll down, you'll see where it says refer friends. Now, if we click on here, which a lot of us do, sometimes we get text messages from friends or emails where they want us to sign up for Uber Eats and God knows what. This is the Canva version. Refer friends, get rewards. Share your referral link with friends. When a friend joins Canva and creates a design, you both earn 1 Canva credit. Now, this would be specific to people who are not on the pro version of Canva, because on the free version you've got to pay for the pro elements like the pictures and the just different animation techniques and certain things within. So every time you earn a credit by referring it just means you spend less money when you're creating in Canva. The other way that you could get around that is obviously just becoming a pro version and paying the $10.99 or whatever it is. But if you don't want to do that, this is how you would offer. And this is the affiliate marketing link. You would copy that link and then you would put it into an email, over to Facebook, over to Twitter. There's your network set up right there. This is part of your network. Then if you want to, you can maybe turn this into a bit.ly link to shorten it, and then you would quickly add it to your WhatsApp messages. You would put it in on your social media. You would put it on Instagram. You would maybe tag it in Snapchat if that's what you're on. This is all a part of your network, and this link here is your affiliate link. They call it a referral link simply because you're not making money off it, but what you are doing is giving someone the opportunity to be able to get a credit and yourself a credit. So you might not be earning actual cash, but you're saving money because every credit means you're £1 less for you to spend on Canva. So that's the basic version. Now let's go into another version, which is the one that you're probably looking at, which is where you earn actual cash. So let's go into that. Okay guys, so what we're on now is called ShareACell, and this is part of Awin. And the whole point of places like ShareACell, now there are others, and I've gone through that in the theoretical lecture where we've talked about things like ClickBank and other platforms that you can go into, and the commission junction as well. The whole point of a setup like this is for the merchant. So the merchant here would be someone like myself. I create courses, I create ebooks, I have webinars that are for sale. As the merchant, I want you to send my courses out to your network on YouTube. You put the link in the description, as I said before, on your social media, in your emails, out to your friends and family through text and WhatsApp. And in order for you to do that, I would have to see that you actually do have a decent a plan in place, and I want to put this up here so that I can get more sales. I'm not getting out to everybody. It's impossible as a merchant to be able to contact everyone across the entire world, in all corners of the world, and then convince them to purchase my products. But you have a network that's in a corner that I haven't reached. So as a merchant, I'm going to want to put my products on something like ShareACell or Commission Junction, and then someone like yourself is going to find those products. Maybe you're into promoting courses, and you know that your audience would be interested, and that's when you become an affiliate marketer. So say for instance you decide now to log in. Now these are my login details, but just to go through here and just to show you the typical setup for an affiliate marketer is 10% commission, and then there's a 30-day tracking period. So the 30-day tracking period, as you can see here, it's called a cookie. And in that cookie, it basically means that once you become an affiliate marketer, you are able to have that track. So when someone clicks on your link, let's say you sent a WhatsApp message saying, hey guys, check out this great new product that I've just utilized. It's really helped me to sort out my home or to make money online, whatever it might be. You then send them the link at the very bottom after you've explained everything. Once they click on that link, that's when the cookie period starts. And that tracking period from cookies, it starts for 30 days. It gives them the opportunity, or gives you the opportunity, that say if they click, they go in, they think, okay, it's interesting, but I want to look at it later. They go back to it. Once they go back to it, another 3 days could have passed. Then they go back another 3 days after that, and they're in and are in. It gives you that 30 days to make sure that that sale is actually linked to you. Now, obviously, if they decide to purchase on day 31, you will lose that sale. And that's the unfortunate thing. But there's a good chance that if you send a follow-up message, maybe within the first 7 to 14 days, just to remind them to say, I don't know, if you have purchase, but it's been really good, and I've actually made more money in the last 14 days than I have maybe all of last month. You really should check it out. Then there's another chance for them to actually quickly purchase before those 30 days runs out. And that's literally how this works. Now just let me show you some of the options that are available to you. You've got accessories, you've got business, classified, art and music, automotive, computers, electronics, dating, clothing, auction, and you've pretty much got really anything. If you wanted to see more merchants, you've got weddings, sports, education, food and drink, art. You can pretty much so search for whatever it is that you want to learn, to be connected to, and you will find it on here. I have a business that's separate, that is in meditation, and I can find things on here within that sector, separate. And then I've got my online learning business, and I can find things on here that will be connected, that would help you to learn more online, and I can connect the two separately and find them all within ShareACell. So let's just quickly go into accessories, and then straight away you'll see Reebok, Sally Beauty, I'm sure things that you've seen before, Allbirds, The Beauty Spy, and these are all. And straight away at the very bottom of them, you'll see the commission structure that they've set up. So Reebok's got a 7% commission structure. You would just click, once you actually sign up to this and you become an affiliate marketer and you're approved, then once you're in your account, you would click on join program, and you will be given the background to the company, the affiliate marketing highlights. So 7%, 30-day cookie. Sometimes it can be 60, sometimes it can be 90. Average sale is 80%. So then that helps you to work out from your average sale what your 7% commission will be from that. And then say if you got 100 of those a month, you'll be able to work out how much you would earn in that 30-day period. It gives you some more information under here. I think they have a referral program as well. And then what you can do is once you're in, and I'm actually going to show you from the inside. So let me just sign in quick. Okay, guys, so I've signed in, and I'm back here inside. So I did a quick search. I put Reebok sneaker in the search facility once you sign in. And then you just click on go, and then it brings up this list of companies here. So Reebok will be at the top. Again, it shows you the 7%. It shows you the power rank, and then the EPC, which is 28.24. So that's sort of average of how much people are earning per sale. And then when you want to, say for instance, I clicked in to here. Again, it's going to show you average commission. You can change it between 7-day cookie and a 30-day cookie if you want to. Sometimes there's another one that gives you more. It's going to give you, again, the highlights, the background. And then if we want to join, it's very simple. All you have to do is click on join program, read the terms and conditions, click on here, and then you're going to put in some feedback. As a merchant, they're going to want to see what your network is. So you're going to highlight what your plan is. I'm going to do email marketing. I'm going to put the link in my bio on my Instagram. I have a YouTube channel with this many followers, and I'm going to put it in the description of every video. I run a fitness website, and I want to offer this in my email marketing to all my 500 email subscribers in the fitness world. So for Reebok, that would be perfect. Once they read that, hopefully they will think, well, okay, this is a good fit for our company and for our affiliate program. You will then get an email within sort of 5 to 7 days accepting you. You just click on join program, and then you leave it to Reebok to get back to you. Once you've got that approval email, you then sign back into ShareACell, and you go over to your links. And this is where you would get your link. Okay, and as you can see here, I've got, so as I was mentioning before, I've got a meditation channel. So I've got companies like this where I would link it to my YouTube channel and my Instagram for this, and also to email once that gets going. It's quite a new company. But then I've got other things like Thinkific for my courses, Studio Press for blogs. I've got ShareACell itself. I've got Tailwind, which actually connects to Pinterest. And then I've got the Coach Training Alliance, which again is for online e-learning. Now, just as an example, I would go into here to grab my link. I would scroll down. and then I would pick the one that I want, depending on what I want to offer on that day, whether it's gift certificates, beginner power yoga program. I would click in. And it would show me exactly what's being offered. So if you wanted to just find out a little bit more about the company, what they're doing, what the offer is, it's entirely up to you. Then once you've got it, you would go back. And once you're back on the ShareACell website, you would then go into where it says on the right hand side, get HTML code. So we were on the Power Yoga programs. Get HTML code. It would open up a box down the bottom, and then you just select all, and that is the link that you share. And just to let you know as well, it's a pretty long link. You're not going to want to put that in your email. You can obviously do Control K, where you would type the word here, Control K, and then the link would be hidden behind the word. Or you could bit.ly it, so BITLY. Sign up for bit.ly. It's free to start, and you can then change the ending of your bit.ly links so that you can have something on there that would be specific to you, and it just shortens the link. Or you can just keep it as they've created it with a few numbers at the end. It's fine. It's a bit.ly link. bit.ly is trusted, and behind it, the bit.ly link shortens the link, but it would still take them to the very same place that you were before, which was here for them to sign up. And when they do, you will get the commission that was offered to you, and that's whatever it was that was offered on this particular program, whether that's 10%, 20 or 30. The whole point is affiliate marketing is a numbers game. You will have to keep offering, you will have to keep creating content, which you probably do on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and maybe even YouTube anyway. So just keep on copying and pasting this link or your bit.ly link into the description box, into your bio on Instagram, and keep pointing people towards it to let them know that there's something available to them. Also on your email marketing, keep sending it, whether it's once a week, just to let them know that this is available. And hopefully as the numbers start to, the more familiar they are with the offer, they're likely to click and you're likely to make that commission. So I'd say sign up to ShareACell, start with this, go back to the lecture that I did at the beginning if you want to sign up to more affiliate marketing platforms like Commission Junction, and then start gathering up different affiliate marketing that's relevant to your niche, whether that's food, fitness, education, whatever that might be, and then start sharing them, but share them in the right way. Do not bombard and overwhelm your audience with too many offers. Pick the right ones and then just start sharing. Consistency is key. I hope that's helped, and I'll see you in the next one.